So as we continue our getting to know the Regis Arboretum and we continue to talk about our northern hardwood types, the next tree we're going to talk about is sugar maple. So this is sugar maple, Acer saccharum. And we can see this is a small individual, but the sugar maple can grow to be a very large tree indeed. The bark is relatively smooth and gray when it's young, and it gets sort of more coarse and knobby with some fissures in it as it gets older. You can see some of that older bark here. If we look at the leaves are very dark green on the upper side, and they're a paler green underneath. There's typically 5 lobes and a few large teeth on the edge of the leaf. And if you look at the sinuses on either side of those of the middle lobe, you see those sinuses are pretty rounded. So we've got like U-shaped sinus there, which is different from red maple, which we'll talk about in another video. If we look at the twigs, so the twigs of sugar maple are pretty slender, very smooth and shiny, and sort of a reddish to greenish brown. The leaves are oppositely held on the twig, and if we look at the buds are very conical and pointy, and the bud scales are very obvious. Also on the twigs, you can see those lighter spots are lenticels. Sugar maple is a very, very valuable tree, not only for maple syrup that flows in spring, but also for its very, very hard wood. This is sometimes called hard maple. The sapwood especially is very hard, very durable, and has been used for centuries for flooring, bowling alleys, things like that. Also, sugar maple is known for its fall colors. The leaves in the fall turn beautiful shades of yellow and orange. So there's sugar maple.